This is the AI News Flash for May 21st, 2 a.m. UTC. First up, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang announced he has found a brand new $200 billion market for NVIDIA during the company's record first quarter earnings call. At the core is Vera, the world's first CPU purpose-built for agentic AI, introduced in March. Unlike traditional cloud CPUs designed to run multiple applications, Vera is optimized to process tokens for AI agents as fast as possible. Huang revealed NVIDIA has already sold $20 billion worth of standalone Vera CPUs in 2026 alone. He envisions billions of AI agents operating globally, each requiring CPU resources similar to how the world's 1 billion human users rely on personal computers today. Amid Wall Street concerns about AWS and other custom AI chip competitors challenging NVIDIA's GPU dominance, this strategic signal positions NVIDIA for full-stack supremacy in the agentic AI era, marking a decisive growth engine beyond the $10 trillion market cap milestone. Second, AI startup Anthropic informed investors it will deliver its first-ever operating profit in the second quarter. TechCrunch reports, Q2 revenue is projected at approximately $10.9 billion, more than double from the previous quarter. Professional adoption of Claude chatbot, expansion to small businesses, and the launch of Claude for legal targeting law firms drove this rapid revenue-based expansion. However, Anthropic itself acknowledged maintaining annual profitability remains challenging, citing massive compute costs scheduled to be incurred throughout the year. This first profitable quarter may remain an exceptional event rather than a sustained trend. This strategic signal arrives as OpenAI approaches a $1 trillion IPO filing. With Anthropic's $380 billion valuation, $30 billion annual revenue run rate, and the intensifying two-horse race for AI monetization, this marks a critical milestone. Third, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang publicly stated NVIDIA has largely conceded China's AI chip market to Huawei in a CNBC interview, a shocking admission marking a decisive signal in the US-China AI semiconductor rivalry. Huang acknowledged the reality under US export restrictions where NVIDIA H200, Blackwell, and Vera Rubin chips remain banned for China, while Huawei's Ascend AI chips rapidly expand domestic market share. Chinese AI giants Alibaba, Tencent, ByteDance, and DeepSeek have accelerated Huawei Ascend adoption. DeepSeek V4 open source, Alibaba Cloud's $100 billion 5-year AI infrastructure commitment, and China's self-sufficient AI ecosystem build-out have reached a structural fixation point. With prolonged U.S. AI chip export controls, NVIDIA's outlook of continued zero-China revenue, and structural decoupling of U.S.-China AI technology stacks, this marks a decisive milestone in the new AI geopolitics phase. Fourth, SpaceX has officially listed Grok's adult-oriented spicy mode, developed by Musk's xAI, as a formal risk factor in its IPO filing, Wired reports. Following the SpaceX and xAI merger, this unprecedented risk disclosure comes during a process targeting a record $1.75 trillion valuation, $50 billion in fundraising, and a June NASDAQ listing. Grok's spicy mode enables sexual content generation amid ongoing legal and regulatory pressure facing xAI. XII Grok non-consensual deepfake image generation triggered an injunction from Amsterdam District Court, formal FTC investigation, and Tennessee class action over AI-generated child sexual abuse material. These regulatory risks are now formally disclosed as investor risk factors. As global AI-generated content regulatory frameworks take shape, the impact of xAI business risks on IPO valuation and pricing of regulatory risk into one of the largest U.S. IPOs signals the beginning of full-scale risk pricing in the AI industry. That's all for this AI News Flash.